Hey guys, Claire here with a little Q&A. Had one of my associates send me a message to ask me where something had disappeared to on Facebook. So if he was curious about that, I presume other people are curious about the same thing. So previous to the last couple of days, you used to be able to stalk your competitors' Facebook ads. The button has mysteriously disappeared on the Facebook pages. So I'm just going to show you where it has disappeared to. So I'm just going to hop screens. So I've just randomly selected this Facebook page to show you. This is Krispy Kreme, who sell donuts. So previously on Facebook, there used to be a button across here which said ads and something. I can't remember what the other word was. So when you click that button, it would actually show you which ad campaigns were live from that Facebook page. Yeah, so useful tool to do some competitor research, look at other ad campaigns for a bit of inspiration if you're a little bit clueless about copywriting or graphic design or what sort of video content you use. Yeah, so it's good to use as a little bit of a research. But it randomly disappeared a few days ago. So I've been having a look and having a bit of poke about Facebook to see where it had disappeared to, and I have found it. So I'm going to show you where it's hiding. So over here, if you scroll up through the Facebook page that you have selected, there's a little box here now which says page transparency. Click on see more, and this little box is going to pop up, okay? So this has all sorts of information about Facebook pages which was previously not available. So you can see summary, page history, which tells you a little bit about when the page was created, and people who manage this page, yeah? So all that tells you, it doesn't actually tell you the actual person, but it tells you where they are located, okay? So if we head back to summary, and we want to know what ad campaigns they are running. So at the bottom, view in ad library. You click on that little button there, and it will come up with a full library of which ad campaigns are currently live on that Facebook page. Obviously, you have no idea if they are good performing ad campaigns or if they are shit performing ad campaigns, as you can't see any results. But you can see what your competitors are running just for a bit of inspiration. Use this feature wisely, please, kids. Do not rip off your competitors word for word. So as you can see, we can see now what ad campaigns Krispy Kreme UK are currently running. Yeah, so they've got one running about some taste experience in the West End, something to do with musicals. They've got one which they're trying to sell to wedding planners to get donuts in for the wedding event. Yeah, we've got a competition in Glasgow, and they've given us a little bit of information about a new store that's opening today. Okay, so that'll tell you how long the ad's been running, that it's active, and obviously you can have a look through and see a bit more information, see ad details. Okay, so then it just shows you the ad copy, the image, or the video, if it was a video, and what the call to action is. Yeah, so they are selling tickets on this one to some event in London. So that's where it's located. So Facebook page, scroll down a little, right hand sidebar, page transparency. Okay, in the pop-up box, view ad library. That is it, my friends. If you have any questions, feel free to stick them in the comments and I will answer them. Bye.